and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a little Hobbycraft haul with you. Recently they had a 3 for 2 offer on all American crafts goodies, so I went on their website and picked up a few things. The first item I got was 2 of the botanical ephemera packs from the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. My big sister's getting married later this year and I absolutely love the florals in this, so for wedding projects and hen night projects and things I wanted to get some more of those. I then also got the puffy stickers, or the gold puffy stickers, from the same Maggie Holmes Flourish collection, and they have some like floral leaves pieces, a few words pieces, some puffy hearts, and the same on the back. I then got these beautiful rose gold stickers, and I'm not quite sure which collection these come from. I believe it's either the Here and There or the Flourish collection, but I had to have them. Again, my sister's getting married and has a floral and navy and rose gold theme, so I know I'll get use out of those. I then got these word stickers, and I believe these are from one of the Pebbles collections, and they have a beautiful scripty font to them. It says things like best friends, create, inspire, dream, hooray, hi love, thank you, celebrate, hashtag girl squad, happy, sweet, and go girl. I then also got these ones, which are from one of the Pebbles collections as well, and these are a beautiful iridescent white stickers. I believe they're from one of their baby collections. I won't be using these for baby collections. Sorry, I won't be using these for baby projects, but I know that these have so many usable phrases, and if my sisters have babies, then I can use them for that as well. Next up, I got these from the Confetti Wishes collection from Paislee, and I absolutely love these. I love celebrating birthdays, so these were really great to add to birthday cards and for birthday decor. They do have a bit of a tropical theme, which isn't my favourite, but I'm just going to go with it and use the rest of like the birthday icons. From that same collection I got these, and this is like a bunting style stickers that say various phrases, so happy birthday, party, hooray, wishes, surprise, some blank bunting. There's also celebrate, love, congrats, make a wish, and happy birthday again. I really love these. They're so different to any of the other stickers that I have, so I got those. And then now I'm going on to the last collection that I got things from, which is from the Pink Paislee Paige Evans Pick Me Up. So first of all, from that collection I got these alpha stickers, and they are really tiny white alphas, and then they have the same ones in navy on the back. I really love the background, to be honest, more so than anything else, and I am always on the lookout for tiny alphas to use in my project life. My husband actually then chose these alphas again from that same collection. He said he loved them and wanted me to get them, and they're really pretty. They have a beautiful floral detail as well as a very traditional old style writing shape, so they will be fun. And then I got the 12 by 12 cardstock stickers, which have tiny word stickers, some beautiful florals, as is always with Paige Evans, and then those ones on the back. And then my favourite probably of all of them is the chipboard stickers from this collection. I just love the florals and the words, so like the friendship and love on these ones, and the fact that there's chipboard tiny word stickers is just great to me. As I said, if you're in the UK at the moment, so at the time of this video going live, they do have a 3 for 2 on all American Crafts branded products. So you can get your stickers, you can get albums, project life supplies, all of those goodies are all on 3 for 2, and it is such a bargain. You can get a lot of goodies for very little money, and I'm very excited to use these new products and create some things in a little bit of a different style than I normally would. Thanks very much for watching my haul. I hope that it's given you a little peek at some of these new products and also got you excited for videos coming soon to my channel. I'll see you very soon with a new video.